Hi, my name is Neil Moore. I'm the IT manager at Castleland Community Centre. Just going to show you how you can manage your bookings on our new booking system. So when you log in, you'll be greeted with your account page, and it will have a button showing you where you can view your bookings. You can also reach this by going up to the menu from any other page on the website. So I'm going to click View Your Bookings now. So this will give you an overview of all the bookings that you have upcoming with the Castleland booking system, but also any past reservations that you have here too. It only shows the upcoming 10 and the previous 10, so just bear that in mind if you don't see a booking that you're expecting. You have your details up here. These are the current details that are entered on our system and will be updated every time you fill out the booking form. So if you change anything on your booking form, when you make a new booking, these details will be updated. You can also update them by clicking on this button here. Please bear in mind that any previous bookings that have been made with these details will also show these old details if you've updated them. So that's just how the system works. It uses each booking has its own unique details. So in the upcoming reservation section, you can see there's a reference number. That is the reference for that particular booking. There's a rental time that will be the time that you've chosen to have your particular booking. There's a status that shows whether or not it's confirmed or cancelled or pending. And then to pay will show you any outstanding amounts. As you can see, this one's already fully paid from the demo that we did before. If you were to click on this reservation number here, it will take you to that reservation's details page where you can manage it more in detail, so you can change things like the time, the room, etc., etc., add some features. It can all be done just by clicking on each reference. At the bottom we have an availability overview. This is just for when you're logged in. If you just want to quickly look for another room, you can see every room and their availability here, so that you can just click straight into a new booking if you need to. So I'm going to click on this reservation's ID. So as you can see, it says this reservation has been confirmed, and just as a reminder, it shows you a picture of the room that you've booked. It goes into detail down here about all of the different aspects of your booking. So you can see that it says to pay 0 as it's already been fully paid. It says a resource is Pendragon. You can click on that and it will take you to Pendragon's page, so you can see a bit more detail about Pendragon. The date and the time, the duration, which is 2 hours, how much it's cost just for the room, and what features are and what they cost too. So you can see the 40 and the 5, they make up the 45. And any notes that you've put on the system yourself, just for our reference, you can see here too. As this has been paid in full, there are no buttons to make any payments, but you do have options to make some changes to the booking or add some features. So if you want to add, say, some teas and coffees or an urn or a flip chart, something like that, you can just click on that here. And if you want to change the time and date of your booking, you can do that there. Underneath you can see it tells you all the payments that have been made and when they were made. So you can see here it says 25th of February, £45 was paid via PayPal. So that's just for your reference, so that we know that how you've been paid. Now you can pay in installments, usually 2 installments, a deposit, and then the rest, or all in one go. Cash payments and check payments will appear on here, but they have to be manually entered onto the system when they get into our bank account, so there will be a delay in those showing. So if you've given us cash and it hasn't appeared here, don't worry about it. It will be on the system soon. It's just that it has to be manually entered. At the very bottom, if you've made multiple bookings, it'll show all the different bookings that were made at the same time as this booking. So I'm going to go ahead and change this booking. I'm just going to make it an hour longer if I can. So I click on change. Here you can see the details of the booking. Now I'm just going to change this till 5 o'clock. You can see now the price has gone up by another hour. Any other changes I want to make I can do here. I have to re-enter in the captcha. I'm just going to click submit. I'll get a reminder that it's confirmed. Click back on the reservation. Now you can see that there's a £17.50 charge. That's for the extra hour that we've just added, and the total has now changed to £62.50. So from there, I can either make a payment if I want to, or I can add some features. Again, it's a flexible system, so we do allow you to make changes to your bookings up to 48 hours before the booking itself. We can't make any changes after that unless you phone us up directly and let us know. But bear in mind that we don't have any staff here on the weekends, so it has to be Monday to Friday. So that's just a way that you can see your bookings and the details of those bookings. You can use the back button to go back to your page, and you can see now that's updated to say that you still need to pay £17.50. That's pretty much how you manage your bookings on the new booking system. I'll be going into a bit more detail about how you do multiple bookings in the next tutorial, and we'll go from there. So I hope this helps. Thank you.